to take this opportunity to really thank our God because of this far. We have really made it. It was a good division. Having a positive of 1+ is not a joke. Our students have really worked hard, smart. They have tried their level best to give us a very good mean of 7.763. So we really appreciate that God has assisted us, has enabled us to be to this point. So we take this opportunity to thank our principal, our teachers who coordinated with the students, even the school community who assisted the students, who gave them ample time to this far. We really thank all those who assisted us to reach this far. So we encourage these other students to really work to make sure that they have made it. So we take this opportunity to say again, thank you. About the breakdown, our school mean was 7.763. Our mean the other year, that is 2024, was 6.1. So we had a positive deviation of 1.663, and our university direct entry was 128 out of 160, and that made a pass of 80%. So we take this opportunity to really say thank you.
Jina ni Sofia Kerubo, na nilifanya na nilifaulu nikapita. Namshukuru Mungu.
Kwa majina ni Naomi Kwamboka Onkendi. Nilifanya kutoka Omobiri Secondary School. Nilifaulu kwa kupata B+. Nashukuru Mungu.